Everybody in the Philippines say that this is better than KFC. So let's check it out. What? What the fuck? What the fuck? What? Hold on. What the fuck? Why this shit good? Why this shit so good? What the fuck is Jolly meat? Why this shit so good? Why the fuck is fried chicken so good? God damn. Who seasoned this? Why is it so well seasoned? What the hell? I thought y'all was dragging it. What the fuck, Philippines? Who seasoned this?
We made it.